Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be sharing with you on how to find solution to this type of integration problems. But just before we get started, I want to encourage you to subscribe to this channel. Like the video, share the link with your friends, and also click on the notification bell. Thank you very much. All right, let's get started. Question number 1. To solve this problem, first we are going to rewrite the content of the square root in this way. So this will become x squared plus 5x, just leave a space, open parenthesis, plus 12. So next we are going to divide the coefficient of x, which is 5, divide that by 2, square your answer, and add it here. So plus 5 over 2, and just square this, and over here subtract it, minus 5 over 2 parenthesis squared. So now we can simply write this part of the question as x plus 5 over 2 squared, now plus this other part, plus 12 minus 5 squared is 25, and 2 squared is 4 over 4. So now we can simplify this part of the question and just see this 12 as 12 over 1. So this will become x plus 5 over 2 squared plus, so the common denominator is 4, so we multiply 12 by 4, and that will give us 48. Also multiply 1 by 4, 4 minus 25 over 4. So now, if we subtract 25 from 48, that is going to give us 23. So this will become x plus 5 over 2 squared plus 23 over 4. So next we are going to take the square root of 23 over 4 and square that same value. So this will become x plus 5 over 2 squared plus 23 squared. Sorry, 23, not 25. 23 is the square root of 23 over the square root of 4. Square root of 4. So just put that in parentheses and squared. So the value remains the same. The square root of 23 squared is 23, and the square root of 4 squared is 4. So we can also write it in this way: x plus 5 over 2 squared plus square root of 23 over, now the square root of 4 is 2, so let's just place 2 here, and good. So we have been able to write the content of the square root in this form. So let's take them back to the original question. So integral 1 over x squared, 1 over x squared. So let's get the value. Plus 5x plus 12 plus 5x plus 12. The x is equal to integral 1 over x plus 5 over 2 squared plus the square root of 13 over 2 squared dx. Now recall that integral 1 over z squared plus a squared dz is equal to the reciprocal of sine h negative 1 z over a. So if we apply this to this question, then z will be equals to x plus 5 over 2 and a will be equals to the square root of 13 over 2. Now this will be equals to integral 1 over x plus 5 over 2 squared plus root 13 over 2 squared dx is now equal to sine reciprocal of sine h x plus 5 over 2 over the square root of 13 over 2. So at this point, we can now multiply the numerator by 2 and also multiply the denominator by 2. So this will be equals to sine h negative 1. So x times 2 is 2, 2x, and 5 over 2 times 2 is 5. And the square root of 13 over 2 times 2 will give us the square root of 13. So plus c. So this is the final answer to this question, and I hope it makes some sense. All right, let's move on to the next question. Question number 2. To solve this problem, first we are going to write the content of the square root x squared plus 6x, just leave some space, plus 1. So write it again in this form and divide the coefficient of x by 2, and that's going to give us 3. Simply write it here and just square it. And since you added it to this part of the question, also subtract it from this to make the value the same. So now we can write this part of the question, the content of the parentheses, x plus 3 squared plus 1 minus 9, and 1 minus 9 is minus 8. So this becomes x plus 3 squared minus 8. So next we are going to write the 8. Let's take the square root of the 8 and also square it. Still the same. We are doing that for a purpose. So we can also simplify root 8 to become 4 times 2 squared. And the square root of 4 is 2. So x plus 3 squared minus 2 root 2 squared. So now we have difference of squares, and we can simply take this back to the original question. So integral 1 over x squared plus 6x plus 1 dx is equal to integral 1 over x plus 3 squared minus 2 root 2 squared dx. Now recall that integral 1 over z squared minus a squared, the z is equal to the reciprocal of cos h z over a plus c. Now z is equal to x plus 3 and a is equal to 2 root 2. Therefore, integral 1 over x plus 3 squared minus 2 root 2 squared dx is equal to the reciprocal of cos h x plus 3 over 2 root 2 plus c. So this is the final answer to this question, and I hope it makes some sense. All right, so this is all we have for today. Please, if you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the video, share the link with your friends, and also remember to click on the notification bell. Thank you very much. See you in our next video. Bye bye.